Hello guys, today we'll discuss about removing the protection net from Yamaha NS speakers. You know, sometimes you need to clean the diaphragm and the support for the diaphragm, which is behind this net. And the procedure is not so complicated, but it's necessary to pay attention for this. And I'm planning in this video to show you exactly how I'm doing this with these speakers. These are the tweeters, but it's similar also with woofers and with mid-range speakers. So this is how it looks. This is the model. It's heavy. It's Yamaha JA0510A. But for the moment I want to show you how to remove from the speaker cabinet, and after that we'll continue with necessary tools for removing this rubber gasket, and after that to be possible to remove the net. Yeah, okay, let's start with removing the speaker from cabinet. So this is the position of the cabinet. You see, the speaker is fixed. Usually the speakers for Yamaha are fixed on 4 screws. For this, what I'm using this screwdriver, and it's PH2. This is the bit, yeah, PH2. So I'm using this one. It's very nice because the Yamaha is not using screws for wood. He's using screws, normal screws, metal screws, yeah, with fine thread. Yeah, so the screws, they are not going directly on the wood. Behind the holes we have countersunk nuts, or I don't know exactly what is the name for that nuts. It's like a nut with some legs, and that legs, they are fixed on the wood when you start to tighten the screws. Yeah, they are going inside and they will remain locked there. So this is very nice because you can open how many times you want these screws. You will not affect the wood like for the wood screws. Yeah, so you can play with them how much you want. You see our long screws, which is very nice because it will make a very hard strength. Yeah, these screws I will put in a box, to collect them. After that I will clean also the screws. I will put some oil on threads and we will fix back. And usually I'm doing like that. First I'm removing the knob, yeah, the L pad, and behind the L pad you can put 2 fingers and you can lift the speaker, you see, and with the other hand you can grab it. Yeah, it's not so easy. If it's complicated, you can take a piece of plastic when it's lifted and you'll put below between the speaker and the cabinet, and in this way you will avoid scratching the cabinet, and you can continue like that from here with this plastic. Yeah, lift, yeah, and now you will see the wires connected. So you see in this way. Usually I'm not prefer to desolder the wires on position here because I have high chances to make some scratches on the front, so I prefer to cut them. So I'm using this cutter plier. I'm cutting the wire, and after that the speaker is lifted up. Okay, so now let's continue with removing the rubber ring and the protection net. Okay, so here we are. Yes, both of the speakers are removed. One I will let here, the second one I will put here. What I will need for this: masking tape, one toothbrush, I will need something like this, a scissor, small screwdriver, flat screwdriver, a cutter, some kind of brushes, one this sharp pointer, Of course, few rags available here in case of some cleaning it's necessary. And the most important for my point of view is this knife. It's a butter knife, which is until now it was the best tool for doing this kind of job. But it's very sharp. It's not that sharp to cut things, but here in front it's really sharp. It's like a, I don't know how to tell you. It's really flat, let's say. Yeah, not sharp, because it's not cutting. You see, I put the finger here, but it's not cutting. Why is it better to be like that? Because if it's too sharp and it will act like a cutter, you'll be able to destroy the rubber ring. Yeah. So how I'm doing? Let's start like that. I will put this apart. Yeah, I will put the speaker on position, which one I want to dismantle. Yeah, and I will start first with masking tape. I will cut the masking tape like that. I'm doing this. I'm putting this masking tape to avoid damaging this aluminum surface frame. Yeah, so I'm doing like that all the part. Yeah, until end. So I'll make until end like that. Okay, so almost on the end. Few pieces more, and we'll be exactly on the end. You see, one more. Okay, and the last one. Yes. So now I'm sure everything it's covered. You see, it looks very nice. It looks like a sunflower. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm really sure I will not damage the aluminum frame. Yes. It looks on the other side. It looks like that. Okay. Now, what I forget to mention on the beginning, another tool to use is some alcohol. Usually, I'm using isopropylic alcohol. Why? Because this rubber edge is sticked with contact cement, yes, contact adhesive, and you have to be sure this contact adhesive you will make softer and softer. Yeah, you have to dilute this one, and you can do it in two ways. First way is to use a hot gun, but I prefer to not use because I'm afraid to not burn something around here, even the paint. And the second thing is to use this isopropylic alcohol. And for this one, I like to use a syringe. I'm adding inside isopropylic alcohol. Be careful with the sharp tube. I don't know what is in English the name of this. Needle. I think it's needle. If it's another word, please let a comment down. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting this alcohol, isopropylic alcohol, here on the edge. Yeah, not too much because I don't want to come here on the diaphragm, but enough to soak this contact adhesive. So the syringe is empty, so I have to add more. Okay. So I will continue like that. Okay, so now everything is full, yeah. And now it's coming the nice part. The nice part is like that. So let's put this on back here. You will take the knife and the screwdriver, keep closer to you. And how I'm doing now? So with this first part here, the front part, I will put also so like that. Yeah. Some alcohol I put on the tip of this. And now what I'm doing? So let's focus. So with a hand I'm keeping the speaker on position, and with this edge I'm not putting here on the front, I'm putting here, and I press to be sure it's going down, yeah, and I'm moving back and front. What's going now? The alcohol is going down, yeah, because all this layer, the rubber, it's full with alcohol, yeah. Okay, and I'm pressing like that, and in this same time the contact cement, it's cutted, yeah, until you'll reach one full turn. I see alcohol, it's removing also the glue from the masking tape, but it's no problem. Okay, so after you'll make a full turn, now pay attention and you'll go to exterior, yeah. So same between the aluminum edge, but I will put the camera a little bit more down to see much better, yeah. Okay, let's continue. So I put the camera a little bit more down, yeah. So now with the tip, keep the speaker on position and put exactly between the frame and the ring, and you have to press gentle. You see, it made a click, yeah. And now if you can move the knife like that around, yeah. Pay attention to your fingers and pay attention also to not destroy the speaker, yeah. And I'm doing like that, and again, if the alcohol was evaporated already, you can add more between this, or in this groove. I think it's better like that, in this groove between the frame and the rubber, yeah. Add alcohol, yeah, with syringe, and in this way you will make softer and softer the contact cement, yeah. And you'll go like that, easy, until you'll make one turn, you see. But you have to pay attention, don't be in a hurry, take your time. You'll hear a scratching noise because the knife is going millimeter by millimeter, yeah, or inch by inch. You see, almost one turn. So now I'm 100% sure all the rubber between this edge and this edge, or in these two edges closer to the net and closer to the frame, the alcohol was entering, yeah. So it looks like that, yeah. You see the alcohol, it's shiny there, yeah. That means the alcohol was passing inside. And now we will come again. Usually I'm taking like a start point, one coil wire, yes. And I'm putting again the knife until I reach the bottom, and now I will move the end part of the knife on the exterior, you see, like that. You see, it's already lifted. And now with the knife, same, like that. You see, it's coming out. You see, it's too much black here, huh? You see. Step by step, easy, don't be in a hurry, take your time. Like that. So you see, also this masking tape was going down very fast, because you see it's shiny, because this alcohol was passing everywhere, yeah. And now you will take out the rubber, but don't force it to not destroy, yeah, don't force it. Yeah. And now I'm cleaning this also with alcohol. Keep the fingers like that and rub him around the fingers. See, shiny, and it's not damaged at all. Yeah. So I managed to remove very well. Now already everything here was soaked, yes, with alcohol, but if you want to put more, for sure you will not damage nothing. Yeah? I'm adding more. Okay. And now with this small screwdriver I'm trying to, you see, to lift. You see? And I'm let the alcohol to pass inside. But now you see here it's much more sticky, huh? Okay. Yeah, let's see. But now be careful because the speaker, it will be, the diaphragm, it will be exposed, yeah? Here behind it. It's keeping also. Okay, so you see, now it's lifted, so be careful. Put it on the side, clean the excess. Yeah. See, the magnet is doing his job. So net down, rubber ring, it's on position, and now you have to clean the excess alcohol, yeah, like that. For this reason it's necessary to use the rugs, yeah. And the glue, now it's really soft. Okay, you see there are also some aluminum flakes. It's normal because when you put the knife, you are scratching the frame, but at least it's not that scratching is not, oh sorry, that scratches are not visible, yes. Okay, and now of course you can continue with cleaning the speaker frame, but of course do not damage the diaphragm, yeah. Gentle, don't use force, yeah. So what are the reasons why we are doing this? One of the reasons is this net can be bent, yeah, usually because of some transport problem, or I don't know, or maybe some rust and you need to paint, depends on the situation. You have to remove it. So this is one. Second one, maybe you have a broken coil for diaphragm, yes, and you need to dismantle the magnet. To dismantle the magnet, it's necessary to remove the net, and after that to remove these 4 screws. It's not necessary now to do that. Yeah. So my speaker now it's on good shape inside. It's not necessary to do nothing more than this. It was done only to show to you how I'm doing, because I see during the years are many problems with these speakers, and I was looking on the internet, but I found a lot of instructions only in Ukrainian or Russian language. So I was thinking it's better to make a movie in English to show this procedure. So like I said, with a brush, be gentle, clean the diaphragm, don't push, yeah, don't touch the wires, leave it like they are. Don't try to paint, because you see here the wires are exposed. You see they are black on the beginning here, and after that are exposed. Don't paint it, because if you will paint, they will be brittle, and it will be much more difficult for diaphragm to move, yeah. So leave it like they are. If you are using tools be careful because you have a very strong magnet. So if you are working on the top of the diaphragm, be careful what you are doing. Yeah. Now I'm trying to remove here. It's a piece of dust, of hair. I don't know. I'm trying to remove it. So be careful what you are doing. Yeah. You are responsible for all steps. Do it step by step. Don't be in a hurry. And the result, it will be for sure excellent. Yeah. So this is how I'm doing, and I told you it's available for all speakers from Yamaha NS series, even if they are mid-range, high range like these sound tweeters or woofers. The steps are same. And now after you'll finish what was planned to be done here, it's very simple. Also use contact cement. This contact cement is this one, which is you see, yellowish like that. Yeah, you will put a layer around, but don't put too much. Yes, you will put a layer. After that you have to arrange this net, this protection net. You will put on position. You will be sure when you have perfect contact on the bottom here, yeah, because you can put the net and the net can stay not on the flat surface, yes, on the groove. Can stay on different angle, yeah. So inspect the speaker around to be sure the edge is on position, and after that you can come with the ring, but don't forget, because the ring was only in one position, don't put opposite, because after that it will be dirty on top, because you cannot clean the all contact cement, yeah. So you'll put like you remove it, you'll be focused on arrange the ring evenly like that, yeah. And after that with the fingers you'll press down, you see, in this way. And it's perfect like it was in the beginning. But of course you have to put first contact cement, you see, perfect like new. And this is the way how I'm doing. If you like this kind of videos, please thumb up, leave comments, share with others, and stay tuned. I'm trying all my best to put videos every week, every month, if it's possible every second day, like it is written on the top of the channel. But this it is, yeah. This is a, how to say, it's a hobby. It's not a full job, because yeah, you know, you have to have also a permanent job. This is like a hobby. Everything what you see here are made just for my gears, for my audio gears. I like to restore vintage equipment, like you saw already, and I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe if you are curious to see me, to see my face, I don't know, I'm planning to do in the future the videos also with my face. I don't know what you think. It will be a good idea. It's important, it's not important, I don't know. I'm waiting your feedback. And thank you again. Stay tuned. Cheers, thumb up, and see you on the next video. Good luck. See you. Bye bye.